don't worry about anything, and let us discuss each and every point here. So what is I? I is initial solution. I is initial solution. And what is S? S is set space. So set space, that means these are the total possible solutions, capital S. Of course there are 1000 solutions, for example, out of which I have taken randomly, I have taken one solution, that is initial solution. Then what does it mean by I star? So I star is equal to current solution. Then what is K? K is the iteration. Yeah. Now try to read the first step in the algorithm. What is the first step? Choose an initial solution I in set space S and set I star equal to I and K equal to 0. So this is my 0th iteration. I have simply taken one solution out of set space S. I have taken one solution, that is solution I, and now I want to make I as I star. Now I want to take that solution as current solution, and I need to proceed with that solution. Okay, that is the explanation for it. And coming to the second point, set k equal to k plus 1. So what will happen? Set k equal to k plus 1. That means we are slowly increasing the iterations. And generate a subset of V star. Generate a subset of V star of solution in neighborhood capital N of I comma k. N of I comma k such that either one of the taboo condition is violated or at least one of the aspiration conditions hold good. That means here taboo conditions violated, so they should not be in taboo list, and they may be any of the aspiration condition hold good. That means here we need to see the most possible solution set V star. Okay, let me write the same thing here. V star is the solution set, possible solution set, and those moves are not within the list of taboo list. Okay, they are not in taboo list, so we can happily move them in that movement in neighborhood. N is the neighborhood, so I can write here N is the neighborhood solution. Neighborhood solution. Of course, I is the iteration and k is the 0th iteration, so previous iteration. So what we need to do first, in first point we have to see one thing such that we have simply taken one solution from set space and we will make it as current solution, and that is the 0th iteration. That means what we need to do in the 0th iteration, we need to identify, of course for the first iteration we need to identify what are the all neighborhood solutions, possible solutions from the previous iteration. That means capital N I comma k, from the previous iteration what are the possible neighborhood solutions. Those things we have to take and we have to make that as a subset of solution space, that is V star. Now choose the best solution out of this. Choose the best solution out of this, and that is J. Choose the best, that is J in V star. So out of all these moves we need to choose the best one, that is J, and set I equal to J. Yes. Now what we need to do, we need to simply remove the initial solution and we need to set J as the current solution. If and how this can be done? This can be done if function of I is less than function of I star. Then what will happen? I star is the best result. Then I star is equal to I. Then what will happen? We need to take that result as the best result. That means We need to take that result as that is the best. We need to take it as current solution. Every time we need to do the same. Okay. And once this step is over, now what we need to do? We need to simply update the tabu list and aspiration levels conditions. Update tabu list and aspiration conditions. Aspiration conditions. Okay, this is the concept. So we need to update them and we need to going ahead with stopping conditions. If stopping condition is met, then stop, else go to step 2. If stopping condition is met, then stop, otherwise go to step 2. That's all. Okay, this is the simple concept. That's all. We can go ahead with this. So this is the basic tabu search algorithm. Okay, now there is a stopping criterion, and we can see that stopping criterion where we can stop our things. Okay, yeah. Now we will see what are the different stopping criteria. That means based on these criteria, we need to stop our search. So the first one is, we need to stop our changing the getting the new, what we can call getting the new solution. So we can stop up to that solution only. So it will be capital N I comma k plus 1. That means this is the latest neighborhood solution. If this is equal to 0, so there is no feasible solution in the neighborhood of the solution. There is no feasible solutions. All are in tabu list, for example. So that will be the end result. Okay. And the second point is k is larger than the maximum number of iterations allowed. For example, the number of iterations is k max. The maximum number of iterations is 50. Okay, they have allowed only for the 50 iterations, and you have already completed 50 iterations, then your stopping criteria has to come. So you need to stop at that point. And the number of iterations since the last improvement of I star is larger than a specified number. For example, I am keeping the number of iterations since the last improvement of I star is larger than, so I star is larger than a specified number, So what is this? The number of iterations since the last improvement of I star. So here we need to write the same thing. Let me write here. So the number of iterations since last improvement. So what does it mean? Actually, I star is larger than, yeah, if for example we have 50, yeah, we have 50 iterations, but if from the last 10 iterations we haven't get any improvement in the solution, then we can stop going to the next iteration. Yeah, if I have make this a specified number. For example, while starting the problem itself, I have stated that if I don't have any improvement in I star, for 10 iterations, then I will stop my criteria. Okay, that is specified number. So in this way you can stop the criteria straight away. and there is an evidence that an optimum solution has been obtained. For example, if we are taking the for marks, for example, there is an evidence that the optimal solution has been obtained, that optimal solution obtained. So what does it mean? That means, for example, I am getting the solution for maximum marks 100%. For example, I have already obtained 100 marks. Then um, what is the idea of going further? So no need to go further, right? 100 marks is the maximum mark. We have already obtained that. Then why shall we go ahead? So simply we will stop at that point. So this is called stopping criteria. Okay, based on this stopping criteria, if you find any of these four criteria, then you can simply stop your taboo search algorithm. Okay, thank you so much, and in the next video we will see the flowchart of this based on the algorithm only. Okay, thank you so much.